Speech on Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October Non-Violence, Equality and Justice New Modern Speech. Speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Good morning, afternoon everyone. Today, we gather to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, a day dedicated to one of the greatest leaders the world has ever known, Mahatma Gandhi. On 2nd October every year, we honor the birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, fondly remembered as the father of the nation for his immense contribution to India's independence and his enduring legacy of non-violence, truth, and justice. Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence. Gandhi's most significant contribution to the world is the principle of ahimsa, or non-violence. In a world often torn apart by violence, Gandhi taught us that real strength lies in peaceful resistance. He believed that through non-violence, people could bring about meaningful change without hatred or aggression. Gandhi led India's struggle for freedom through peaceful means, whether it was the Dandi March, which protested against the unjust salt tax imposed by the British, or the Quit India movement, demanding complete independence. His methods were a shining example of how the power of truth and patience could challenge even the mightiest of empires. A vision of equality and justice. Mahatma Gandhi wasn't just a leader who fought for India's political independence, he envisioned a society where equality, justice, and compassion prevailed. He advocated for the upliftment of the underprivileged, emphasizing the importance of removing caste-based discrimination. Gandhi was also a champion of women's rights, urging them to take an active role in India's freedom struggle, long before gender equality became a global movement. He said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." This teaching reminds us that the true essence of humanity lies in helping others, in building a society that is inclusive, just, and fair. Relevance today. Although Gandhi left us many decades ago, his teachings remain more relevant than ever. In a world facing growing polarization, violence, and environmental challenges, we need his lessons of peace, unity, and sustainability. Gandhi believed that true progress comes not from endless material pursuits but from living simply and in harmony with nature. His idea of Swadeshi, promoting local production, encourages us today to adopt sustainable living practices. On this Gandhi Jayanti, let us not merely remember the great man's contributions but also pledge to uphold his values in our own lives. Let us resolve to fight injustice wherever we see it, but do so with love and non-violence. Let us build bridges, not walls, promote peace, not conflict, and most importantly, lead by example, just as Mahatma Gandhi did. Conclusion. As we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti today, let's commit to practicing the values that Gandhi stood for: truth, non-violence, equality, and justice. In doing so, we honor not just the memory of one of history's greatest leaders but also work toward building a better future for generations to come. Thank you.